I used to think procrastination was just laziness. I'd sit in front of my laptop, knowing exactly what I needed to do, and still scroll endlessly, rearrange desktop icons, or convince myself I needed one more coffee. Sound familiar? It wasn't until I started reading about the neuroscience of procrastination that everything clicked. I wasn't lazy, my brain was hijacked. You see, procrastination isn't a time problem, it's an emotion regulation problem. Your brain's limbic system, the emotional, ancient part, seeks instant pleasure and avoids discomfort. Meanwhile, your prefrontal cortex, the rational part, is trying to plan, focus, and finish that task. And when the task feels boring, overwhelming, or uncertain, the limbic system wins. Again. And again. But here's the breakthrough: you can train your brain to cooperate. I started using small activation rituals, like setting a 5-minute timer, or breaking a task into micro wins. I stopped aiming for motivation and started focusing on momentum. That tiny shift rewired how I handle resistance, and it's why I finish more work now in 2 hours than I used to in 8. This video dives into the science of why you procrastinate, and simple, brain-friendly ways to beat it without burnout. If you've ever hated yourself for putting things off, this will change how you think and how you act.